Hi there, students. Random, an adjective. At random. Randomly, the adverb. Randomness, the noun for the quality, and even a verb to randomise. Okay, so random. If something is random, it has no pattern. Yeah, you've not got a plan of how to do it. It's just by chance. You take things as they come. You don't choose particular ones. Yeah, this is according to probability. The probability that you choose any single thing is random. The probability is the same. Okay, it's not got a method, it's not systematic. So the magician says choose a random card from the deck, but the point is it's not a random card because he knows which one you're going to take. He can force it on you. Yeah, and okay, this is the idea of random. Done by chance or chosen by chance rather than according to a plan. Yeah, so random. Done without a method, without a conscious decision. Yeah, so all outcomes have the same chance. Yeah, it's completely arbitrary, haphazard. Yeah, it's not arranged. Yeah, random, not what was not chosen, not according to a formula. So a random person, some unspecified person. Okay, at random, without method, without a conscious decision. I'll have that one. That's choosing something at random. Yeah. You could also use this. Are you going to listen to what some random person has told you, or are you going to listen to what I've said? Somebody you don't know. Yeah, some random guy came up to me and asked me for money, so I told him no. Okay, so random. This is something that it's not with a method. Yeah. If you want to do things statistically, then you need things that are random. Okay, maybe you've got things set out. You could randomize them, just put them in arbitrary positions. So to randomize, to actually make random. Yeah. They did interviews with 10 randomly chosen people. Yeah, do you think there is something that controls our life, or do you think what happens to us is just totally random? Yeah, there was rubbish strewn at random all over the room. Yeah, but here and there. It was totally haphazard. Yeah, random sampling. Yeah, a random guy waiting for a train, just some person. Yeah, he was the victim of a random attack by some skinheads. They were just looking for someone to beat up. Ooh, him, let's go for that. Yeah, or maybe you're stopped by a random check. Also think about your computer. Your computer has RAM in it, RAM. That's random access memory. So access is totally free from any part. Okay, so something that's totally random, a random sample. This is good. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, a selection of different things. You do it at random. Yeah, you don't have a plan as to how to do it. Okay, random. 5 informality. Use just about anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from French. rondir, to gallop, randonner, a long walk, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic rinana, to run, and Proto-European to run or to move as well. Okay, so random makes me think of Brownian motion. The molecules in the air move about at random. They hit each other and move in all sorts of different ways. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Random.